to draw this one here, we want to do maybe a similar idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade this top surface here, and I'm going to draw that top surface first. Okay, so I'm going to draw my 3 squares here. That's going to represent my top surface. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around the outside like that to get the surfaces. And then I'm going to also get the side surfaces. So maybe I'll do the side surfaces first. So the side surface I'm going to do in different color here. So this is going to be the side surface here, the T shape. Okay, that side surface I'm going to draw off the side like this. And I'm going to do the same on this side. Okay, and those are my surfaces. I've accounted for the front, back, and top now. And what I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to draw around the outside. So it's going to have my front face here, so that's going to be that face. And then I'm going to go underneath. Okay, so this piece here is going to give me 1 square. That's another surface. This surface here, which maybe I'll shade in blue here. Those 3 are then going to show up like this, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, and that surface is going to be that blue shaded surface. I've got the bottom. That's just going to be a square on the bottom. And then I'm going to do the same from the other side. So it's going to be symmetrical. So I have that square here. This goes underneath. So that's the underneath square. And then I have these 3 squares that make up that surface. Okay, the back side of that blue shaded surface, and then the bottom one, I don't do it again because I've already counted it here. So then writing in the actual, calculating the surface area, we can just count up all the squares. We have 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, and then plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. So that's going to all add up to, what's that going to be? Looks like that's going to be 14. That's going to be all the blue parts and green parts, and then the red parts, we know that those are going to be 6, so 14 plus 6, and there's 2 of them. And so the total surface area works out to be 26 squares. Okay, so I also want you to practice some other examples, so click on the link here, and this will take you to this site here and lets you take a look at different nets and see how they can open and close. Okay, so you can visualize how they can flatten out and come together. Okay, we can change these dimensions. Okay, and we can make them into different shapes, and then we can open and close them. That's a rectangular prism essentially. Okay, and then it's good to visualize these examples.